Hi, my name is Joanne Pimentel and welcome to my kitchen. I'm a wife, mommy of 2 energetic boys and a fur baby, and I have a passion for helping moms or dads or anyone who wants to learn how to cook make simple and delicious meals on YouTube. When I first started out in the kitchen, I remember getting so overwhelmed with complicated recipes and long lists of ingredients. I wanted to make cooking simpler without skimping on flavor, because of course, I'm all about the flavor. I also have a lot of picky eaters in this house, so a lot of my recipes are kid approved. I only share recipes that I absolutely love. If I wouldn't eat it, I wouldn't want you to either. I first started out this channel as a way to archive my recipes and leave my legacy of cooking for my kids, but I also wanted to share it with all of you guys. And honestly, it warms my heart when friends and family make my recipes and share it with their families. And to me, cooking is all about people, and good food brings people together. I like to cook all types of foods, but my focus is on dinner. The most fondest memories I had growing up were at the dinner table. So if you're looking for something simple, but more important, delicious, I've got you. Come join me and let's cook some delicious food together.